Most investors chase dozens of stocks trying to find the next big winner. But what if you could just own the biggest growth giants in the world in a single ETF? Today, we're breaking down MGK and why it quietly dominates long-term portfolios. Part 1. What is MGK? MGK stands for the Vanguard Megacap Growth ETF. It's designed to track the performance of the largest U.S. growth companies by market capitalization, the true heavyweights of the stock market. Instead of picking individual tech or growth stocks, MGK lets you invest in the biggest and most dominant companies in America with one purchase. Think of it as owning the giants of innovation all at once. Part 2. Key characteristics. MGK is a passive ETF, meaning it tracks a specific index instead of relying on an active manager to pick stocks. It currently manages around $30 billion in assets, making it highly liquid. One of its biggest advantages is its extremely low expense ratio, roughly 0.05%, which helps investors keep more of their returns over time. The fund holds about 60 companies, primarily large U.S. market leaders, and offers a low dividend yield of around 0.4%, reflecting its true purpose. MGK is not designed for income or dividends. It is built for capital appreciation and long-term growth, focusing on dominant companies with strong expansion potential rather than steady payouts. Part 3. Top holdings. MGK is heavily weighted toward the largest and most influential companies in the world, which is why its performance can be especially powerful during technology-driven bull markets. Its top holdings typically include Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. These corporations command massive market share, proprietary ecosystems, patents, and global reach, meaning that when technology adoption and digital infrastructure expand, they are often the first to benefit, which in turn drives much of MGK's growth potential. Part 4. Performance. Since its inception in 2007, MGK has delivered strong annualized returns of around 13.57%, and over the last decade approximately 18.83%. However, because it is concentrated in megacap technology and high-growth companies, it can also experience sharper pullbacks during market corrections. For long-term investors, these downturns have historically been temporary, as continued innovation, revenue growth, and expanding digital infrastructure tend to drive recoveries over time. Part 5. Why invest in MGK? MGK is ideal for investors who believe in the long-term dominance of big tech, the continued expansion of AI, cloud computing, and digital ecosystems, and the idea of owning established market leaders instead of small speculative stocks. It fits those looking for a low-cost, set-and-forget growth strategy who also have the patience to let compounding work over time. MGK offers targeted exposure to the largest growth companies in the U.S. without the need to constantly research, pick, or rebalance individual stocks, making it attractive for people who believe innovation will keep shaping the global economy and want positioning near the top of that growth pyramid. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing $100 every week into the MGK for 30 years, and it continues to deliver returns similar to its historical average since inception of 13.5% annually. Over time, your portfolio can grow to over $1.5 million. If this video helped you better understand MGK, like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.